Hi there, it's the guys here from Dashcam Man. We're going to show you Autowatch Ghost installation into this Audi RS3. So the system's armed, and if we put in our key, and we try and start the vehicle, what will happen is the vehicle will just cut out like so. What we need to do is put in our pin, so we'll do that now. You'll get a flash of indicators. Now if we start the vehicle, the vehicle will indeed retain its revs, so you're good to go. The Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser combats key cloning. It combats people trying to boost your key signal through these new technologies, comfort access and such likes in your BMWs. And it's a great thing to have. You can stick it in valley mode should you give it into a service station, centre, MOT station, stuff like that. And it's basically protecting your car. Give us a shout if you're looking for something similar installed.